About half of all the published articles on the internet are generated by AI. Yes, you heard me right. This was a new research discovered by an analytics firm, graphites.io, and they found that over the period of 2020 to 2025, now hear this, AI generated articles went from 5% to 52%, while those that were written by humans went from 95% to 52%. However, all hope is not lost for the coming generation. In a separate study, the analytics firm also discovered that 86% of the top ranking articles on Google search actually written by humans. Yes, so Google search actually favor human written articles online than AI generated content, but they faced a dilemma, in separating those that were written from the AI generated ones. And why? That's because the new articles coming out both have AI and human input, so it becomes harder trying to separate which is actually 100% human and which is completely AI. However, experts have noted that the use of AI in writing is stabilizing. People don't completely trust AI yet. So there's still a lot of skepticism as regarding checking AI or using AI when it comes to topics like journalism, topics like faith. People would rather use it to check for technical information like weather reports, and make research in multiple topics. Currently, publishers are now looking for AI and human collaboration as opposed to a full AI automation or a full AI application in writings or forming content. So I want to hear your thoughts on this subject. Make sure to tell me in the comment section down below, and I will see you next week. I remain Esther Salami. Bye bye.